Today is World Tourism Day, and across the globe, the entire tourism industry has been hit by the COVID pandemic. But now it is clear that we all need to learn to live with Corona and plan all our economic activity accordingly. And therefore, it is time that tourism and all related activities need to be revived, keeping in mind all the norms that require us to be safe from COVID. And I think for Goa it is especially important because Goa's economy depends on tourism, Goa's livelihoods depend on tourism. It is now extremely important that the government starts taking steps, starts taking measures to ensure that there is a revival of the tourism industry. All SOPs need to be put in place that anyone who is coming by buses, coming by flights, are checked to be COVID negative. One has to ensure that at all tourism spots there is social distancing is maintained. One has to ensure that in all restaurants, all hotels, measures of sanitization, distancing, wearing of masks are ensured. However, despite all of this, there is a need to revive tourism, otherwise the economy in Goa will take an extremely strong hit. And it is time now that the government of Goa, that the Chief Minister of Goa becomes serious once again for reviving tourism in Goa, and let's hope that now with the tourist season coming and steps that are taken towards the revival of tourism, the economy and tourism will see a boost once again.